In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop animation in Clip Studio Paint. Now, the very first thing you have to do is actually have an animation, and of course, you must have your timeline open down here at the bottom. So whenever you do this, you want to position yourself over here where you want your loop to start. So for example, I want it to start over here on the 8th, so I'm going to select it just like this, and then when you do that, you can go to a timeline over here, and then on the left, you can see there's little 3 lines. When you click on those, you want to click on Edit Track up here, and then it's going to pop up a menu where you want to click on this one, which is Assign Multiple Cells. Now in here, as you can see, this is like a new menu, new window that opens up, and if you're not familiar with this, what you can do over here is basically set it to kind of loop. So here you can assign either by value or by cell name. So again, it's going to start the loop wherever we select it over here. So I'm going to do assign by cell name. In case your different layers have different names over here, or cells have different names, you'll be able to easily understand them by clicking over here. And as you can see, it's putting the assigned cells over here. The start cell is going to be 1 and the end one is going to be 7 for me. Now, if for you it's different, you can set it however you want, but it makes it much easier if you actually assign by cell name and not by value, because inside values, there are simply just numbers, and in here, in case you have custom names for your layers or cells, you'll be able to basically see them in here and easily assign them. Now, whenever you do this, you want to go to repeat settings, and you can either set a number of repeats, which is gonna, of course, make a specific amount of loops, or if you want to loop till the end, you can just click on repeat to end, and that is going to loop to the very end of your timeline. Of course, you have the advanced settings as well. Now, these aren't really that important, so I'm going to just leave these because I do not want any empty frames or skip cell numbers. I'm just going to click on OK, and as you can see here, it's going to loop everything to the very end of my timeline over here, and if I now play it, it's just a few dots, but it's playing on loop over here just like this. So that's how to loop animation. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.